For me, rhubarb is just one of those first signs of spring. Gotta have sugar if you're making a rhubarb pie. A little bit of flour thickens the whole thing up. Because these are gonna be pie pops, I definitely don't want them to be too juicy. Little salt, flavor pop. And it never ceases to amaze me how there's vanilla in almost everything. It's not for the vanilla flavor, it's because vanilla boosts the other flavors. This is my secret ingredient. It's sour cream and it adds a really nice hit of tangy flavor to this filling. It's creamy, salty, sweet, and all that sour rhubarb. Now the heat's gonna thicken this up nicely. And it tastes so good. Sweet and sour, perfect combo. I have to leave this to cool just a little bit because it's gonna thicken as it cools. And remember, these are gonna be in pops, so we don't want any juice running down your fingers. All pie crusts start with flour and salt. And this is a short crust pastry with half the amount of fat to flour. Now, talking about fat, I like to use both butter and shortening. I find that it gives me a really flaky and flavorful crust. This is what I'm looking for. Chunky crumbs with a few bigger pieces of butter. That's gonna make for flaky pastry. A little bit of ice water, because the golden rule when making pastry is that everything has to be cold, cold, cold. The butter is the key to the flakiness, and we don't want to melt it too early. Egg wash is a multitasker. On the inside, it's like a glue that holds the pie together, and on the outside, it gives my pies a really nice golden sheen. Ready for rhubarb. Were there ever better friends than strawberries and rhubarb? It's that sour, sweet combo that is so addictive. All this goodness has to balance on the end of a stick, so make sure when you're putting these in that you get them nice and deep. A little egg wash for that bronzed beachside look. I got sweet, I got tender, I got flaky. Just need a little bit of crunch. And into the oven to do its magic. How cute is that? You know what the best thing to put in a pie is? My mouth. Mmm. 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 Strawberry and rhubarb should be best friends forever. I need to find someone who's having a baby so I can make these again. Mmm. Mmm.